right, guys, we're gonna test the boot. That is the new boot, and we're gonna spray some water. There you go. Just a little bit of water makes it run rough. All right, now it cut off. So I'm gonna test it, replace this, and we're gonna wet it again to see just what it does. But I kind of wanted to give you guys an idea of what it's doing. Spark plug is wet. All right, so if you guys are having this kind of issue, we're gonna replace the plug connector. All right, guys, so I'm about to take off the spark plug boot. This is a 450, so this only has one spark plug, and that is gonna be located right under here. You can see it, all right? But it is hooked in all the way, so I mean, that's not the issue. The issue comes, oh, that's the issue. So it might not be the spark plug boot, it was just loose on this end. Okay, I can work with that. All right, so it was actually loose from up here. That's where it was getting wet, I think. So we're gonna dielectric grease that. This fitting here. See a little bit of moisture in there. I'm gonna let that dry out a little bit. You can't get this separate, you have to get the whole, this right here with it. This one. Don't want to change that out yet unless it keeps giving me problems. But you have to check that. These connections, I'm gonna clean that real good. And my other connector, ooh, that ain't good either. Look at all that. Might have to clean that out too. So it might be this. Oh yeah, she's dirty. Yep, there's your problem right there. Okie doke, boys. So I'm gonna clean that out. You see all that dirt there? It's not making a real good connection. It won't let it go all the way down. So I'm gonna take that out after I vacuum all that stuff out, and we'll see how it goes. And this doesn't look good either. Clean it all with brake cleaner and see what happens. First step is to clean. That one looks clean. This one is very, very dirty. Take our electronic cleaner. See if but yeah, she's got a lot of mud in there. I don't know if you can see it. Just over time. You gotta take care of these things, boys. When I drove it the first time, if you notice in one of the videos, I actually went in there and pushed it down. So that, there goes most of your problem. This was out when I was hitting the mud, so it got in. I'm gonna still do some cleaning it out, but for the most part, that looks good. This side, I can spray it down just in case so we get a good connection when I go to. First thing you need to check, of course, is the cheapest method. Always go with the cheapest method first. In this case, this boot costs like 38 bucks, 40 bucks. So fairly inexpensive to replace. Go ahead and try that first. The other one was cracked right here, the old one. I guess with the over time with the heat and the water, so I was actually getting water through here. And that's what I thought was going on this time. Now you can remove this shield, but it's very hard to get that one bolt right back there in. So right now we're not removing anything. You see, it's still got a little bit of crud in there. Before I take the spark plug out, I don't want any of that mess to get in there. So I've got some cleaning to do. Hopefully we can get this thing running 100% again. So that's my problem, guys. The boot wasn't connected all the way and it managed to build up some mud. So here we go. We're gonna go clean that out and we'll catch you once it's done. All right, guys, here we are. We're currently at 1250, 1300 RPMs, and she's running pretty good. I hosed it down a little bit, but I just wanted to show you now after I cleaned the spark plug boot and did some stuff to it, that it's no longer dying. Definitely fixed the issue that we were having. We were having a bad connection in the spark plugs. We were having a bad connection with the boot and everything. So we got that taken care of. Now she should be okay to get in the water. My next step is probably going to be to snorkel it. I'm not sure just yet. I've got some stuff ordered for it, guys, in this area. You could probably imagine what I've got coming. We're gonna beef this up just a little bit. Right now it's sitting on 30-inch cryptids and it seems to be a little weak on that. So we're gonna help it out a little bit, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Thanks. I wanna thank all the subscribers and all the people who comment. You know, I really appreciate your comments. Definitely gonna keep the 450 as long as we can. Been thinking about ordering an 850, but I might be getting a boat. The 450 is doing plenty for me. I know you guys would like to see, you know, me doing something on a bigger bike. Stay tuned, guys. Thank you guys for your support. Hope this video helps you out. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments and we'll catch you on the next video. Peace.